Hello guys, it's your price action trader here. So subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Subscribe to this channel, we'll make more videos in the future. Okay, this is my first trade. We can see a downtrend, engulfing pattern, breaking the deviation. I place a put option, and we are in a strong downtrend. You can see the alignment of the EMA. So this is the second trade. We are in a rangy market, process of elimination, weak sellers at the buyer's area, and we can see that it closed as a deviation which acts as a support. Third trade, I place it with some module safety. We are in a ranging market, and we have so strong breakout of the key level. Sellers are strongly breakout. So I place my trade at the SNO level, which is here, and with some module safety. This is my fourth trade. A strong uptrend, a breakout of the deviation, alignment of the EMA, strong uptrend. So do not place your trade against the trend, you will lose. You can see how many red candle and how many green candle. Okay, so always in OTC market you need to place your trade with the trend. Do not place your trade against the trend, you will lose. This is where you need to apply your strategy effectively. So this one is the losses. You can see here the price go away from this Bollinger Bands. This is like a reversal. Okay, reversal. You can see weakness of the deviation, strong sellers. Again, this is a retracement. I would suppose that it's a reversal, but still it is a retracement. That's this weak spiritual weak show was support, and now it became resistance. That's why it make a red candle, because support become resistance after the breakout of this bearish candle, and we are in a reversal here, and this is a retracement. The inside bar, this is an inside bar, yes, but it is a reversal, not a retracement. No, this is a retracement, not a reversal, sorry. So this is my last trade. Why do I put this trade? I put this trade because we are in a rangy market. We are in a rangy market. The price respect deviation, so the support acts as a deviation, late entry. But the thing is that it acts as a deviation. I place my trade because it acts as a deviation. It acts as a support. The deviation acts as a support, and we have some buyers on the other side in a rangy market. And this market we try to make a retracement to the key level after breakout. That is the reason why I place this trade. So thank you guys. It's 4 win 2 losses. It's still I have some good profit on the end if it was a real account, but no need to worry. We will improve together, and I will make more videos in the future. So subscribe, hit the subscribe button, comment below, and share the video with your friend. Thank you.